People often mistake the spirit of resistance. They see it as anger and hatred and imagine its taste to be bitter. But resistance is founded in love. We find some things so beautiful and love them so deeply, so urgently, that when we identify systemic oppression that endangers them, we must resist. People often misjudge this motivation and feel it's a personal attack on them as individuals. But resistance is not something to be feared or to hold disdain for. Resistance is a passionate movement for the preservation of beauty. Resistance is a passionate movement for the preservation of beauty. Love the enemy. I stare them in the eye and say I love you, thus you can't bury me. I love resistance, I love the way it carries me. I love resistance, those in the struggle so terribly. I love resistance, I love to cherish and protect beauty. Identify and hold close all I love truly. I love resistance, I love the movements, I love pursuance. The way the system cracks as we break through it. It's love that fuels my desire to resist. Act in defiance, violently grasp my bliss. It's love that pulls its energy up inside me, guides me, fills me, pushes me to fight thee. I love resistance, I love the diversity of tactics, from lawyers in suits to a bank window as you crack it. I love resistance, I love standing up to oppression. I love my obsession, I love watching the enemy crumble beneath the schemes, landing our dreams. I love our dreams, I love our dreams. Resistance is founded in love.